Hey folks, Nicole Happel with Top Tier Real Estate and Notary again. Today we are at my new listing at 5006 Galena Drive in Northeast Colorado Springs. Buyers, you often tell me, Nicole, we love the old neighborhoods. We love the old trees, we love the peaceful vibe and the bigger yards they have to offer. But sometimes old neighborhoods come with old houses. You know what I'm talking about. Well, in this case, this home has the best of both worlds. The home was built in 1971. It has over 2,000 square feet of living space, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a finished basement. But all the cool stuff has been updated, so you really don't have to do much to move in here and enjoy your life. For example, I'm standing in an addition, we could call it a sunroom. I personally would call this a dining room because I would love to sit in this bright, sunny room and overlook the backyard and sip my morning coffee. It's also got brand new Pella windows throughout the home. Those are not cheap. Go look at old homes and see how many of them still have the original aluminum windows. Another feature that I love in this home is we have brand new quartz countertops in the kitchen, including a granite sink, stainless appliances. Beautiful home. I just can't wait to show it to you, and I know you can't wait to see it. So what are you going to do now? Well, you're going to give me a call and you're going to say, Nicole, please show me that home, and I'm going to say, yes, I'll do that for you. Give me a call. I'm Nicole with Top Tier Real Estate and Notary.